Hey friends, I am Catherine, and today I am thinking about doing a dirty pour. So I've mixed up some paints. I've got some white, some black, some gold, and some green. And by the way, if you're interested in seeing something just black and white, I might be willing to try that. Definitely let me know, because I'm toying with an idea for that in my mind right now. We'll see how it goes. But I've got today white and black and gold and green. And I've got a old cookie tin that I want to pour in the lid on. And the lid has this little lip right here, so I'm not really actually concerned about the messy tray underneath because I don't think anything's going to be flowing out over. The trick, I think, is actually going to be not to pour too much paint in it so that I get too thick of a layer. But I want to do a dirty pour today, so I've got a cup set aside and let's get started. I think we will start just in the bottom with some white and then maybe some gold, some green, and a little bit of black. Ooh, that ran all in there. Some more white. And I think that might be enough paint. I don't want too much, maybe a little bit more green. Okay, so now we're just going to take our tin and set it on top and flip the whole thing over. Then set it down and let it just rest for a moment and let all of the paint inside of the cup run down onto the top of the tin. And if everything works out, we should end up being able to lift the cup. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. And get a very thick layer of paint. See, that ended up being way more than I expected. That's okay though. I think it'll be all right. The trick is just going to be, I think, to get it to dry slowly enough that it doesn't pull away from the sides or crack. But that is really cool and fun looking. We'll see how it goes. Ooh, things are still popping up. Ooh, that burst wide right there. How fun. Oh. Air bubbles are still coming to the surface and things. And that's, I think, one of the things with thicker layers of paint, you get more action and things from air bubbles. But I really like that section right there. I hope that stays because it's sort of fun. This whole thing is really interesting. And I don't think I'm going to do anything else with it. I think I'm just going to leave it and let it sit and percolate and figure itself out. Because that, I think, will be a really cool tin that I can then pop a Christmas gift into. And that should be it, I think. Just a Christmas present in this tin, maybe with a ribbon wrapped around it. And then the tin, of course, itself is reusable. I'm blowing on it just as lightly as I can to try and get the bubbles that have risen to the top to pop. I don't want to move things around too much. I also really like this area. That turned out really cool, I think. And I'm curious about this like half moon of gold in here. That's kind of fun. But this is what I did today. Look how fun and simple and easy that was. I hope it dries well. I'm going to, it's really humid where I am, and my paintings normally take 3 to 4 days to dry anyway. But I think what I'm going to do is set this inside of like a mini cooler or something. That way I can seal it, and that'll really slow down the drying process. That's a trick. If you're in a place that is really dry, or your paintings you're finding are just drying too quickly and cracking, you can seal them in something that doesn't get a lot of air. They'll still dry in there, but they'll dry much more slowly, so you can give it more hang time to help prevent that cracking that you see sometimes on paintings that are drying too fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, definitely let me know. I am super thrilled with this one. And remember to subscribe. I am always putting up new videos, so there's always something new to come and see. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!